Hey everybody, and welcome to another SketchBox unboxing video. Super excited because this one is for the month of August, and August is my birthday month, so shout out August babies and shout out Virgos. Woody woot. Speaking of woots, this cute little owl drawing, I love it. They always have the cutest artists, you know. And then this mixed tone blue paper. I haven't worked on tone paper that much, but dude, fell in love. Finally! Freaking finally! Posca pen! Burr, 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 burr. I can't wait to use this. And that brush came with the longest pamphlet on how to take care of it. It was cute, but I had to cut that out the video. It took way too long. I got Amsterdam acrylic ink and graphite, and if you're a Patreon, then you saw I got crazy in an exclusive video with that. So I'll put those details in the link box below. And then another sticker. Love the stickers. 2 Spedball acrylic inks, one in white and one in super black. I felt the super black was more gray. Great. Another brush pen, a water brush pen. Let's just go to the next part. And then a white and a black. So that's the picture I drew for my friend. I got it off Instagram, and I'll definitely put the whole little matchup next to it. But that's later in the video. And then here I was trying to be fancy and be like, ooh, look at all the ink. Ooh, yeah. My camera didn't focus, so. Anyways, let's go to swatch. First, I tried out the black pencil. I liked it. It was just a regular pencil for me. Same with the white pencil. They just didn't have that scratchiness that a regular pencil has. You know what I'm talking about? Like, it wasn't a number 2 pencil. I don't know how to explain it other than that. Okay. I was ready to go hard with this Posca pen. You guys, you really don't even know. And I can see what the rave is about. Like, it's freaking awesome. It's awesome. I love it. So definitely going to use more of these, and hopefully they come in colors because your girl wants them for sure. Definitely had a good time with that. Now, as far as the Amsterdam ink, if you guys see me in my Patreon video, I don't know why I said that so slow, but yeah, if you see it in my Patreon video, I did an exclusive where I went a little crazy with that, and I'll put all that information down below. What's that black stuff? Well, earlier that morning I was painting and I never got a chance to pour out the water, so reduce, reuse, recycle. I needed a dirty water anyway, so I was like, alright, I'll just keep this one. Why pour it out, get clean water to make it dirty? Duh. So I only need to get one of the clean waters. As far as the Spedball acrylic inks, now I'm not sure if that's what you're supposed to do, but they had the liquid sort of separated. So I just shook it. I think you were supposed to stir it, but it is what it is. And as you can see, I'm making a mess of myself as well. Nice going, Crystal. Nice going. And yeah, everything else was pretty much as I expected it to be. You know, the ink was watery and liquidy, but I think it was just more watery and liquidy than I expected just because the ink inside had separated, or the oil, or I don't know what it was, but it has separated a bit. So I've been talking for quite some time. I'm going to go ahead and let you listen to the rest of this, and if for anybody's asking what's for the dramatic background music, I don't know, just when I was doing this, it made me think of drums. So let's drum it out. Alrighty, I will catch you at the end of the video. And here's the final pose. I can't believe it, you guys. It's shiny. I don't know if you can really see it in the video, but it is supposed to be. And yeah, I hope that you like it and that you let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alrighty, bye.